Okay, so this is the recorded video for solution on your activity 1. So find all the members of trash zone, indicate whether it's compression or tension, and show complete solution. So this is a activity regarding statically determinate and method of joints, no? So as you can see, okay, we have fixed supports, hinge supports dun sa LO and then U sub O. So dito we have reactions, dalawa. And dito rin we have 2 reactions. Okay. So lahat yan is assumption lang. So lagyan natin to ng L sub OX and L sub OY. And this one is U sub OY and then U sub OX. Okay. Next is to know if statically determinate or indeterminate. So we have equation M is equal to 2J minus R. And we have members, no? Member 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Okay? So we have 10 members is equal to 2 times how many joints? 1, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 minus how many reactions is 4. So 10 is equal to 10. That is statically determining. Okay. Okay. After knowing if it is statically determinate or indeterminate, it's either kukunin mo yung mga reactions or pwede ka mag-start to any joints wherein makakakuha ka ng isang unknown, okay? So, delete lang natin yung mga numbering ng members. So, dito, no, pwede tayo mag-start at joint L, okay? L sub 3. No? So, pag dinrawing kasi natin yung L sub 3, okay? At joint L sub 3, we have okay? We have 500. Okay, this one is your 500. So, no units. And then 1,000, okay? 1,000. We have L2 and L3. So, assume natin na tension, okay? This one is L2, L3. And then we have the L3 to U2. Okay, assume tension. U sub 2 and then L3. And we have the 30-40 ratio. Okay. So 30-40, ibig sabihin this is 50, no? Hindi nyo na kailangan isulat yan, no? Automatic yan. Square root of 30 squared plus 40 squared, that is 50. Okay? So from this diagram, makukuha mo na yung value ng U2, L3 using summation forces. Y is equal to 0, going upward is positive. So negative 1,000 pounds minus, okay, U2 L3 40 over 50 is equal to 0. Okay? So transpose natin yung U2 L3 sa kabilang side para maging positive. And that is U2 L3 40/50 negative 1,000 pounds. Okay? And then divide both sides, no, by 40/50. Cancel out. And therefore, U2 L3 is equal to negative 1,000 over 40/50. That is negative 1,250 without units, and then that is tension. Okay? So ang correct, or pwede mong sabihin na U2L3 is equal to 1,250 compression. Okay? Next is how to solve the L2, L3, no? Kasi meron ka ng mga X component. So, summation forces X is equal to 0. Going right is positive. We have L2, L3. Negative kasi going to the left. And then we have negative 500. And then also, no, if remain tension, that is negative U2 L3 30/50 is equal to 0. Okay? So, L2, L3 ang hinahanap. We transpose. Sa kabilang side, we have L2, L3 minus 500 minus U2, L3 na tension. So, ibig sabihin, ang gagamitin mo is this value kasi niretain mo yung arrow ng tension. Okay, away from the point. So, negative 1,250. Negative 1,250 times 30/50. So, that is L2, L3 is equal to, no, from your calculator, and that is 250 tension. Okay? So, sa mga nagtanong if pounds, no, pwedeng yung gamitin pounds. Kung units, pwedeng gamitin units. Okay? Next is, saan na yung point mo na kung saan next joint na yung gagamitin mo. So, dito, no, ang gamitin naman natin is itong L sub 2. Okay? Kasi makikita mo, force member, madaling makuha yung ating parameter. Okay? So, ayan, tingnan lang natin yan. So, at joint L sub 2, we have 500 pounds going downward. And then our L2, L3 na na-solve is tension na may value na 250. Okay, 250. Okay, sorry, wala palang units dito. So this is not 500 pounds. Okay, and then this member L2, U2, and then L1, L2. So this U1, L2, and this one is L1, L2, no? Okay? U2 pala. Okay, this is U2, L1, L2. Okay? So, summation forces, X is equal to 0, going right is positive. We have negative L1, L2 plus 250 is equal to 0. L1, L2 is equal to 250. Okay? And then summation forces Y is equal to 0. Going upward is positive. U2 L2 minus 500 is equal to 0. And U2 L2 is equal to 500 compression, and this one is tension. Okay. Okay. So next is we will get the um U sub 2 naman, no? Gamitin natin yung U sub 2 as per indication ng ating problem. Kaya at joint U sub 2, we have drawing. Okay. So, ang gagawin ko is screenshot ko na lang to. Edit. Copy ko na lang. Okay. Okay. Okay, kakrap lang natin guys ha. Okay. So this one is your what? At joint U sub 2. Okay. So this one is tension. This one is also tension. This one is also tension. And this one is tension. No? So lahat ina-assume ko tension. Okay? So yung may angle na triangle 30-40, that is U2L3, and that is 1-50, which is pag tension negative. Okay? This negative 1-50. U2 upward is our U2L2. Okay? Our U2L2 is 500 compression. Okay? So we will change this one into compression na 500. Okay? Next is unknown na L2 U2. Okay? This one is L1 U2. Okay? L1 U2 and then U1 U2. This one is U1 U2. Summation forces Y is equal to 0 going upward is positive. And this, no, we know this is also 40-30. Kasi there is no changes naman dun sa length and width tsaka height. Okay? So, negative 500, no, the going downward 500. And then the Y component of negative 1 to 50. So this is 50, also 50, that is positive negative 1 to 50, 40 over 50. Okay? Positive L1 U2, and that is 40 over 50 is equal to 0. Okay? So, pwede natin itong pagsamahin, no? Using your calculator, that is negative 500 plus negative 1 to 50 times 40 over 50. That is negative 1.5. Okay, negative 1.5 plus L1 U sub 2, 40 over 50 is equal to 0. So, transpose yung negative. This one is L1 U2 is equal to 50 over 40, 1.5. So, L1 U2 is 1875 tension. Okay? Next is summation forces X. Okay? Summation forces X is equal to 0. Going right is positive. We have negative U1, U2. And the negative component of L1, U2. That is negative 1875 30 over 50. And positive, okay, that is positive negative 1 to 50 30 over 50 is equal to 0. Okay? Transpose, no, yung negative U1, U2. So therefore, that is U1, U2 is equal to what? No? Pwede mo nang i-calculator yung ating numericals. So that is negative 1875 times 30 over 50 plus no negative 1 to 50 times 30 over 50. And that is negative 1875. That is negative 1875. Negative 1875 tension. Okay, so U1, U2 is negative 1875 compression. Positive. Okay, so any of the two. As long as tama if compression or tension. Okay? So we have 1, 2. Okay, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 members. 5 and 6. So ang hinahanap natin is 10. So apat pa. So saan tayo next na magjo-join? Okay? So pag nag-join tayo sa U1, meron tayong U1, U2. Okay? And then yeah, U1, U2 lang ang meron tayo. Okay? So join tayo sa L sub 1. Okay? So magjo-join tayo rito. Okay? So kuha lang tayo new page. Paste ko lang, no? Okay. And then yung kakrap natin. Yung U1, L1. Okay, sorry, that is L1. Okay, so that is joint at joint L1. Okay, sa joint L1, we have L1 to L2. Okay. L1, L2 is 250 tension. 250. And then L1 to U2. No, we have L1 to U2. 1875 tension. 1875. And this is 30, 40, 50. Okay. And then L1 to U2. U1 pala. Okay, sorry. So this is L1, U1, L1. And then last is we have LO, L1. Okay? So summation forces Y, makukuha na natin yung U1, no? L1. So summation forces Y is equal to 0 going up is positive. Okay, check natin baka may nakalimutan tayo. So wala naman, no? L1 U2 is 1875. Okay. So, again, meron tayong negative U1 L1 and then negative 1875 40 over 50 is equal to 0. So, lipat lang natin yung ating unknowns. So, that is U1 L1 is negative 1875 40 over 50. U1 L1 is 1.5. Okay, negative 1.5 tension or U1 L1 is 1.5 compression. Okay. Next is summation forces X is equal to 0. Going right is positive. We have negative L sub O, L sub 1, positive 250, and then positive 1875 30 over 50 is equal to 0. So, transpose sa kabila, we have LO L1 is equal to 1375. Okay, 1375 tension. Okay. So that is our 8th member. So last, no, ang last natin na i-joint is yung U sub 1. Okay? Okay. Ikakat lang natin yan. Okay. So sa U sub 1 at joint U sub 1, we have this one. This is L1 U1. Or ang nakuha natin dyan is 1.5. Okay, diretso na natin yan. That is 1.5. And this one is U1 U2. That is negative 1875. No, contention ang gagamitin natin. Ito is unknown and this one is unknown. This is UO U1 and this is okay LO U1. Okay? LO U1. LO U1. And 40, 30, 50. Okay? Okay, so tension U1 L1 is negative. Para clear lang tayo. Okay? Summation forces Y is equal to 0. Going up is positive. We have negative 1.5 and then positive 40 over 50 LOU1 is equal to 0. So transpose natin to sa kabila. That is LOU1 50 over 40 1.5 and LOU1 is equal to 1875 tension. Okay? Summation forces X is equal to 0. Going right is positive. Okay, we have negative UOU1, positive negative 1875, and then the X component of LO U1. Okay? That is negative kasi going to the left. 1875, 30 over 50. Okay, correct? Is equal to 0. So what gonna do is, no, transpose natin yung UOU1 to become positive. UOU1 is equal to the numerical value of this. That is negative 1875 minus 1875, okay, times 30 over 50. Okay, that is negative 3,000. Okay? That is negative 3,000 pounds tension, or UOU1 3,000 compression. Okay, sorry, wala palang pounds. Okay, correct? So, yeah, I think that is correct. So, negative value of 1875 kasi tension ang ginamit natin. Tama? LOU1. So, LOU1 is negative 1875 times the 30 over 50, and then going to the left na value of 7, that is negative 1875. Okay? So, this is correct. So, i-recheck ko na lang yung mga na-checkan ko.